How to fix OneNote sync problems and issues. Few things are more frustrating than hitting a cryptic error code, like something unknown, I'm not going to even bother trying to pronounce it, in OneNote, and realizing your critical meeting notes or study guides aren't syncing across your devices. Before you panic and uninstall the app, which can permanently actually wipe your unsynced data, we're going to deploy a safe, high-performance triage strategy to force a clean server handshake and unstick your data. So step 1 is finding out if the glitch is living in your local desktop app or Microsoft Cloud Service. So open any browser, navigate to onenight.com, then of course sign in with your credentials, let me do that, and then of course open up the notebook online. So if your latest edits are visible on the web, which you can, as you can see here, in the notebooks, your data is safe in the cloud and your local desktop app cache is simply broken. So to start the fix, just move your cursor to the left sidebar navigation pane, right-click the name of the stock notebook, right here, and you can press this button, Sync this notebook now. Also, if you prefer faster keyboard shortcuts, you can just simply select the notebook and press Shift F9, as you can see also set in here, to instantly force a manual background data push directly into the server matrix. Also guys, something that you might miss is, as you can see if you didn't notice, I'm actually not signed in into my Microsoft account. So if, for example, you're not signed in, well, that should be obvious why you're not getting the sync, right? Because your Microsoft account is not connected, of course, the connection is impossible. So just click on sign in, choose your account here, and make sure that you don't have any errors. Sometimes there's like a yellow error next to your sign in here. If there's an error, you're probably just signed out. If so, just sign in again. Otherwise, yeah, your sync will not work. And then you just view sync status, for example, right? You can just sync now, and then you're pushing all of your changes into the server. So that's it, guys. Hit that subscribe button if this helped, and see you soon.